let's double check the VeChain. The biggest nightmare happened because you remember we tracked this coin since 2023, this FIB relevant, and till the end, till the last moment. I won't believe we're gonna dump to 27 block, but we dump it. At least on a Binance, we dump it. We track this FIB. You can open any video since 2023 and track. So around here, around here, around here, around here, I won't believe. So we will dump to 18 level by FIB. So it was like 1 cent, 11. And we dump it. Of course, on the Binance, maybe on other exchanges, we not drop that low. On the Binance, we even add 1.0 because the lowest point was like 0.2098. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can, because the biggest accumulation area is here. All this zone is accumulation. So guys, be ready. So if the end of altcoin season was here and we all racked, we can dump even under the COVID dump. Yes. Unfortunately, it's a fact, so we can delete all of these levels. We sweep the liquidity pool of May 2023, also done. What next? Maybe we're gonna drop and test this level again. Once again, guys, we can't know what will be next, right? We can build a plan. So if we drop here, I will buy, or if we pump here, I will sell. If you hold it, for example. I'm hold VeChain, and yes, I'm in losses. The main idea was, I believe, in the tech. Yes, the VeChain, I invested just because of tech. So just to be honest, and my conservative price target is here. 1661 is top of the top, the craziest top for this bull run since my first video. I marked is 19 cents 30. Can we pump so high now? Basically, yes, but I don't know what should happen now in the market. We need some crazy positive around the market, around the altcoins, because the chart looks absolutely horrible. Take a look, zoom out and take a look. So, all right, we dump it. How low we can drop if we hold the line? Usually we can come back, close 50%. All right, so the 50% it can be 1 cent 45. This one. Maybe we're gonna stop it here because we still got like 6 days in October, so maybe we'll stop there. Now we trade. Imagine we trade at the level of December 2020. It's so horrible, guys. Imagine after the 5 years, we at the same price. So the value of the token just significantly go down. It's absolutely no makes sense, anymore. Invest in a tech project. And it was my mistake. So just in case, I'm not fixed a profit here because I thought, we accumulated so long here. That's why we never drop it down again. That's why I'm skipping it. Yes, I made a mistake and not fix the profit. Of course, it was not a big profit, right? But at least it's a profit. So now I'm in losses. I'm not use DCA. I don't want to spend and waste my stable coins for DCA. I don't want to accumulate VeChain more or so. I'm not a fan. So I accumulated VeChain just because it's a speculation. Just in case. What to do now? If you want to accumulate, of course, definitely this now is a better entry than mine around here, like 3 cents around here. So yes, also it was my mistake. So that time I'm not withdraw my initial deposit. So yes, it was over than the 100%. So I could withdraw at least initial deposit and with zero risk now, set it with the free tokens, but I didn't. So what to do now on a monthly time frame? So looks like yes, we can drop even lower to sweep this liquidity pool because here is under like 2 monthly gaps, but I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. If we will, guys, just to be honest, we're gonna dump even under the COVID dump low. Also, we leave the huge week here, so makes sense to come back and close the 50% of this week. Also, the globally here, this one. Also like a target 10 cents round number. This is what I'm waiting here. It's a full fill of monthly gap. And the logic of fixation 0.5, it's a 50% of the week, and here 50% of the FIB and 50% of the week. So this is my take. I will be more than happy if we finish the ride at 16 cents. But now, if my entry around 3 cents, so most likely at 6 cents, I will withdraw my initial deposit. Definitely. So I will not do and not repeat the same mistake again. So let's double check on a daily, guys. Daily, it looks horrible, but usually, you remember when we leave some order flow like this one, drop, consolidation, drop, we at least come back to 50% of this range, you know, and it's around like 5, 10, 21. So just in case, if you want to buy now, it's potential 200%. So this is it. Let's double check, guys, with the indicator set. What's going on now? Technically, guys, this zone, you knew it before, even in zone 23. So I made also a mistake. So because I won't believe, so we're going to dump that low. But this is one more confirmation. So sometimes better work with the plan B, you know, and wait most horrible scenario, because sometimes this can be the reality. So this is accumulation. The last time we saw this accumulation is here, but after that we dump it, like you can see, even lower. Also, technically, we formed the biggest divergence because it's a June 22. The price was like 2 cents. Now we at higher level than it was here in June 22, but lower on the price. So basically, it's bullish. Here was some accumulation. Now it's definitely not a distribution on the weekly time frame. I hope the Binance will not delist the VeChain, but of course it's possible, just in case, because everything is possible. Now we're just in the middle line, not in a crazy accumulation on a monthly, so it's kind of weird. But of course, at the good moment, we're not in a crazy distribution. So everything mostly now depends on Trump, depends on United States, depends on China. Sometimes it's so weird, you know, we came here to that market to trade crypto decentralized tokens, but we need to pay attention and track the news, the macro, some politics stuff, you know. Sometimes it's weird. It's absolutely weird. We want to trade the charts, not track what some old guy argue against the other country. So about the reefs or so. So direction, daily time frame, no crazy accumulation. So this neutral, skip it. ADZ, neutral, skip it. Markets more daily, it's a disbelief. So it's okay time to buy. Weekly time frame, total capitulation. Good time to buy monthly time frame, total capitulation. It's bullish. Once again, this all range, it's a one big accumulation zone on a weekly time frame, on a weekly and a monthly. But to buy now or skip this stock, and it's up to you. So if you're not ready to see the drop under the COVID dump, like 0.201, better skip the token. If we're gonna hold this line now, and for example, this is what I wish to see. Something like this one, end of cycle, and after that we dump it here. So this is more than real to see. But we need to hold the line here. With 2 months in a row going down, that's why I hope it's going to be like a BART pattern, this one, and go higher on the monthly. And take a look, the 3 last indicators is trade on, guys. Monthly, buy back, no main signal to buy yet. One signal to buy was here. Sell, also no take profit signal from sell. We need to see something like this, take profit signal, but from sell. Daily time frame, yes, of course, we saw the signal to sell, take profit here. Fun, right? In summer, I already showed you this one on some other tokens. Sometimes better believe and trust the indicators, not, of course, not blindly, but they don't have any emotion. And in summer, they showing us like out of the alts, and we could save a lot of money. If we just by trade on indicator here was a daily sell, some buybacks trades, drop, take profit, buy. I wish to see the drop again and the new signal to buy. And the last two, money power, no money inflow yet on a daily. Weekly, yes, finally some will start to accumulate. Last time on VeChain here, June 24 and August 24, so basically it took 1 month here. So maybe it's going to be the same story, like drop now, 1 month, and in December we'll see one more accumulation and pump. I hope. And the last indicator, guys, is take profit. So we dump it around the fundamental value. Now we try hold the line around the fundamental value. Take profit 4 cents, 0.47. So guys, once again, if you want to buy now, just add alert. And trust me, guys, save your initial deposit. Just add take profit line, add alert, notification, withdraw your initial deposit, add the limit order to sell, save your initial deposit. This cycle on a hard mode. Daily time frame, I think we're gonna drop to the buy line. It's 1 cent 54, maybe even the 50% of this range. So 1 cent 35. Got it. Daily time frame take profit is 3 cents 0.44. Exit line 3 cents 43. So this is it. And the global targets, guys, I'm still waiting this target. Maybe we react and all altcoins going down because the BTC dominance can still pump to once again to 63%. But I finally hope that BTC dominance will go down and the liquidity inflow into altcoins. Maybe some liquidity inflow into VeChain. So guys, anyway, it's a good experience for all of us. Maybe I will be so lucky to out or break even. We will see. Guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please in a comment what you think about VeChain now. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show on this video, just write me the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.